Madrid is the capital of Spain and has been a major city for centuries. In the last 100 years, Madrid has seen a great deal of change, from its physical landscape to its culture and economy. In the early 1900s, Madrid was a city of narrow streets and small buildings. The city was known for its vibrant culture and art scene, with many of the world's most famous painters and writers living in the city. The city was also home to a large number of factories and industrial sites, which provided employment for many of the city's residents. In the mid-1900s, Madrid began to experience a period of rapid growth and development. The city's population increased significantly, and the city's infrastructure was improved to accommodate the influx of people. The city's economy also began to diversify, with new industries such as banking and finance, tourism, and technology emerging. In the late 1900s, Madrid underwent a period of urban renewal. The city's infrastructure was improved, and new buildings and parks were constructed. The city also became a major tourist destination, with many of the world's most famous museums and galleries located in the city. Today, Madrid is a modern and vibrant city. The city's economy is diverse and thriving, and the city is home to a wide range of cultural attractions. The city's infrastructure has been improved, and the city is now home to a number of modern skyscrapers and shopping centers. In the last 100 years, Madrid has changed significantly. The city has become a major tourist destination, and its economy has diversified and grown. The city's infrastructure has been improved, and the city is now home to a wide range of cultural attractions. Madrid is a vibrant and modern city, and it is a great place to visit and live.